Today I am going to use this transformer. This is a old solid X transformer I take from one old solid X. Today I am going to use this for another amplifier. So let's go to use this one. This side was in AC primary, this side is the secondary. Both sides are AC, but this side is primary, this side is secondary. Look, secondary have lot of loop, many loop for many voltages, lower, higher, and this side got only 4 and 5 pin for the primary voltage. in our country, our primary voltage is 220. So I am going to check which one the loop. Here are 4 loop, but which one the actual loop for 220 voltage. Let's go to check. This is a series system for AC voltage. I am using this series board. Look, if I are short, then series bulb is blinking. So let's check. We can see here one very bigger leak. This one the fuse come from this leg, come from this leg, and this leg are same. So this is the fuse have inside. So this is the fuse. So this one the start, this loop for start though. So I can use here, also can use here. If I use here, it will be direct. If I use here, it will be with using fuse. So I am going to use using fuse. So must open this socket. Okay, I am using this fuse. This leg used in fuse. So now I am using AC voltage. Look, so this one is fuse direct. Look, the bulb, this one is fuse. Okay, here this half light blinking half. Here is small have. Here have no light, very small. So if your country has 120 voltage, you use here. Okay, and if you have 200 voltage, you use here. If you have 220 voltage, you use here. Okay, this loop for 220 voltage, this loop for 200 voltage, and this loop for 120 voltage. So here in my country is 220 voltage, so I am going to use this loop. So open this socket, and I am using this 220 voltage loop. So look, here no light are blinking, here very small light. So let's check the voltage. This is the meter. Okay, this is in AC mode. We have to use in AC mode. This is the DC mode, this is AC mode. Okay, later one day I will show how to use this meter. Today I am showing the AC mode. AC mode from this here to here, 600 and 200 for AC mode. So I am using 220 voltage upper. Look, this is 228 voltage. I am using 228 voltage, and I can get the secondary. Secondary, look, here the wire, the bigger wire are here, the lower wire are here. So I have to use bigger wire for the amplifier. So this is the common. If I use common, start from here, the wire winding start from here. If I use here, then 11 voltage. Here I have 32 voltage. Here I have 53 voltage. Here I have 65 voltage. here 23. This is false. So from here to here, one wire. This 5 are one wire. So we have to make a center tap. So 5, if we have 5 wire, the middle one is 3. 3 number wire is the middle for the ground voltage. Here I have 21 voltage, here I have 32, here I have 21, here I have 32. So the middle third number leg is the common leg for both side. So third number leg is the ground, and that 1 and fifth number is the main voltage. So open this, and I am using this leg and this leg. This is the first leg, this one is the fifth number leg, this 2 leg. Okay, so this is the diode. The middle two are AC, that side is negative, that side is positive. So this 2 AC will go here, 2 AC will go here. So let's soldering here. Also soldering here, need more rung. Here, oh sorry, look, again I'm using AC. Now this is AC, 32 voltage, 32 voltage. In AC now I am using DC. Now I am using diode. After diode it will be DC. Before diode it is AC, after diode it's DC. So I am using DC 200 voltage. So this is the negative. In the negative loop, positive is the positive loop, 58 voltage. If you the common is here, here is the 29 voltage, here is the 29 voltage minus, and plus is 29 voltage. Now we are going to use capacitor. After capacitor the voltage will be a little bit bigger, little bit upper. So this is the minus, the capacitor loop, here is the minus. You can see here is the minus, and this side is positive, this side is negative. I am using here, and this side is positive, this is negative, and positive and negative will be ground, and this is the positive side, this is the negative side, middle two will be the ground. So I have to use like this. So let's make it fast. The middle two will be like this. This is the middle. This is the middle. Middle is the ground. Middle is the ground. Middle is the. I am going to soldering the middle two leg. So this is the ground, negative voltage, positive voltage. This side is positive, this side is negative. Like this it will be like this. Now it will be like this. I need some rung here. This is so now it is pure DC. It's pure DC. This is the negative and this is the positive. Look how many voltage, 90 voltage cross. If I make it the ground, okay, I have to make the ground loop here. I have to bring the ground loop here.